Fixed referencing is a very important principle in Excel. Let me show you what I mean. If I've got a number 1 in cell A1, and here I'm going to refer to number 1. So I'm just going to say equals A1. Now when I copy this down, you'll see it's not the number 1 anymore. What happens? So currently we're referring to A1. Every time we copy down, it's going to copy the numbers down. Equals A. So when I do this and I copy to the right, it will do the same. So it will change the columns. A, B, C, D. When I try to copy to the left, it won't work because there's not something before A. Now this works for formulas as well. If I've got a formula there, sum, the moment when I copy this formula down, it's going to copy it down. So it's now A1 and A2, A2, A3, 4, 5. See how it goes down. So it just copies that down all the time. So even when I copy this to the right, it will stay on A1 and A2 because I'm not changing rows, but I am changing columns. So it's A, B, C, D. As you go along, it will change it. So how do you fix this? So let's start with the easy one. So let's do the A1 again. So if you put a dollar sign in front of the A, it means you're going to fix the column. Now let's do that. So you can do that with F4. I'll just press F4 3 times. So now, if I copy down, I'm going to get the same result. Because I did not fix the row, I fixed the column. So it will still keep on changing the rows. But if I copy to the right or the left now, it will stay on A because I fixed the columns. So what do you think will happen if I put the dollar sign in front of the row? Then the row will be fixed. So if I copy down, it will stay on 1. But if I copy to the right now, it will change because I haven't fixed the column. So it will still keep on changing it. And what happens if I put a dollar sign in front of both? Then it doesn't matter where I copy, it's going to stay on A1. You see everywhere I click, it's A1. So that's a very important principle. So let's do the same with this now. Now, the fixed referencing principle works separately for this now. So if I want to fix the first column, so if I copy this down, it's not going to have an influence because I am still in column A, so it doesn't help. But if I copy to the right now, let's see what happens. So can you see, it's going to stay on A1 because I fixed the A just in front of that, so that can't change. The second one is changing because I haven't fixed it. So if I want that to stay fixed as well, I have to put a dollar sign in front of that one as well. If I copy this now, see it will stay on A all the time. If I copy down, it's going to have the same result because I didn't fix the rows. So if you want to fix everything, now I can copy everywhere. It will stay there. So this is a very, very important principle. And this is the number one thing people get wrong when they do formulas. So let's go to another example. So in this example, I've got the salespersons in column A. I've got the quantities they sold in column B. And now I've got commissions. Now they sold the same quantities every month, but they earn commissions. So in January they earn a commission of 10. In February they earn a commission of 12. And in March they earn a commission of 13. So I want to calculate what was the amount they've actually earned. So in the first one I'm just going to say that times that. So I know that that is what they earned. That's not a times. There we go. So Anna earned 10,000 Rand in January. But what will happen when we start copying this now? I'm just going to take off the protection quickly. So if I copy this, can you see it sort of doesn't work. That doesn't look right. What's happened? So the best way, I know for a fact that this one is right. I'm taking the commission quantity times with the commission amount. So in this case, what should happen is I should take the February commission times the commission sold. Oh, but this is not what happens. Now this B is changed to a C because I didn't fix it. So how do we fix this? We need to fix the problem that we're sitting with. So what will fix this problem? We need to fix that B. So if I copy, let's just copy everywhere quickly again. Can you see this first one is right? Because now it's keeping it on B. But what's happening here now? So it is saying B, but now this thing is changing. So this is a problem. So what is changing? The row is changing. So we need to fix the row there. So you can see this is an example where you've got different things that you need to change. You need to see when you copy and paste and you see that the result that you're getting is not right, then rather go into every single cell and see, okay, what should this cell be? What is the correct formula to make it correct? And then see what's the difference between what the correct formula is and what it's currently at. And then you can change the specific cell. So when you copy right and when you copy down, you can quickly see where are you going wrong with this. And then we will very quickly see and understand which ones do you need to fix.